After the front and back are done, align the sides with the bottom midpoint. Then align the bottom midpoint and then the flat place. Align the endpoints finally. After aligning the endpoints, paste it well. After translating the extra capacity around the corners, then continue to sew. This sewing is relatively simple. Let's do the silo stitching. It's a pretty standard double weave. And then the whole bag is over after sewing. If you can do it until this step, it's basically fine. I haven't installed this buckle hardware yet. We can install it after this is done. Okay, don't let them bounce around. Right over here. Then take one here. Bring this bag over. First you have to figure out, don't install reversely. It will be placed like this. Be sure to figure it out. I often see people put it on the back. It can't buckle up. Well, it must be this side, right? Okay, so put it down at the beginning. And then, find it all. Okay, see its structure. Firstly, we should take a knife mold to break it through. Okay, now you can go get the die. 14 by 5 cm. We'll open the hole from the back. The top is wide, the lower part is narrow. Well, that is two sides. The rivet enters from the back. Make a square hole from the front. Punch from the back is to install this rivet. Okay, now I'm going to put on. Do you see it? After buckling, don't buckle on the front, but buckle on the back. I will tell you why later, okay? Be precise. If the positioning is inaccurate, it is easy to be crooked. Find a thicker hole to pierce this eye. Be sure to stick it in the middle. If you pierce crookedly, you can't install it later. Well, check if I'm doing it right. Don't stick to this edge, in the middle. Take it off after piercing. See those 4 eyes? Then take the 1.8 mm punch tool. 1.8 mm punch. Just poke it lightly first. See if it's a concentric circle. Let the dot in the middle of the hole. Don't pull it hard. It looks very round, right? Okay, then break. Just ignore it. Be sure to be in the middle. Right, be sure to be in the middle. Then even if the line is broken, it has to be vertical. Don't be crooked. Then put this. Female rivet. Female rivet is the fat one. Male rivet is the thin one. Place the female rivet beneath. Place it inside. Don't move after putting it inside. Plug this one with thread first. We will grab the thread by using 2 rivets. Stuck the thread inside. It's absolutely solid. After putting it, adjust this thread, because the thread is a little messed up, right? Adjust it like this. Then gently press the whole bag like this. Well, turn it over. Well, if you punch it hard enough, it's all up here. It doesn't go away. Well, that's why we don't use the 0.0 punch here. Put this thread down here. Adjust this thread. Okay, can you see this punching hole? Plug it in. See? Stuff it in. Stuff between this rivet and this cut hole. Okay, you can punch it after stuffing it. After punching, just take an awl and adjust. Well, don't worry if you break it. When it falls, straighten it with your hands. Avoid being crooked. You can feel the rivet fall in that hole vertically. Can you feel it? Turn around like this. Well, it's almost done. Now you must use a metal hammer gently beat it. Okay. Okay. Plug it. Don't pick and tool to the bottom. Next one. Let's see. Don't fold it here. It's diagonal. Fold in. Take a look after folding in. After making sure there is no problem, hammer it gently. Use 500 to glue to stick the thread. Transfer out after clicking. Turn it out. You need to know, when using the 500 to glue and cotton will become very hard. It's not stressed. Well, it's okay if this plate is smashed firmly. Now that you know why I let you on underlined here. Well, don't leave these 3 stitches outside. It's not good looking. Isn't it beautiful to stay on this side? It's blocked. Stay inside. This one is ended in right place. This one is ended in wrong place. Check here. Your one is right to end the thread here. Instead of here. Hide the ended stitches inside. Okay. Hide inside. It is best to install the buckle in advance. You can install it now, but it's better to install it in advance. It's better to install it before sewing. Well, after the buckle is installed, you can take it up. Then don't pull it this time. Well, adjust this side right. We'll make an arc like this. See? Take it over and buckle it up. It's too straight here. See? Tighten. Buckle up. Pull up. After the excess amount is released, stretch it. Did you see? Make it a shape like this. Your little bag